हेलो सांग मैंने नमस्कार। आज गोटे नुआ वीडियो को आपण मानकर स्वागत। आज आपण मैंने देखुं स्मार्ट स्टडी विथ अमितेश रे इंडिपेंडेंस डे इंग्लिश स्पीच जो मैंने इंग्लिश रे आपण स्पीच देबाक चाहछन जदि ए स्पीच टाको आपण निश्चय दे परिबे। एबे चलंतु से स्पीच को देखिबा। फ्रीडम ए लीगेसी ए रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ए विजन। रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, ऑनरेबल टीचर्स, एस्टीम्ड जजेस and my dear friends, a very warm good morning to everyone present here. Today, as we gather to commemorate the 80th independence of India, we are not merely celebrating a date in history. We are celebrating the extraordinary journey of a civilization that transformed the shackles of colonization into the strength of sovereignty. On 15th August 1947, India awakened to freedom after centuries of foreign domination. But this freedom was not presented to us as a gift. It was earned through immense sacrifice, unwavering courage, relentless struggle, and countless acts of patriotism. From the revolutionary spirit of Bhagat Singh, the indomitable leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose, from the philosophy of non-violence championed by Mahatma Gandhi to the determination of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, innumerable heroes devoted their lives to the dream of an independent India. Their sacrifice compels us to ask ourselves a profound question. What does freedom truly mean to us today? Freedom is not merely the right to live without foreign rule. True freedom means freedom of ignorance, poverty, discrimination, corruption, intolerance, and injustice. A nation becomes truly independent when its citizens are educated enough to distinguish truth from falsehood, courageous enough to stand against injustice, and responsible enough to place the nation's interests above narrow personal gains. India today stands at a remarkable crossroads. We are witnessing extraordinary progress in science, technology, education, infrastructure, space exploration, and digital innovation. Our achievements demonstrate that India is no longer merely imagining that brighter future. We are actively constructing it. However, progress brings responsibility. India of tomorrow will not be created only in laboratories, parliaments, or corporate offices. It will be created in classrooms, on playgrounds, in villages, in homes, and in the character of every young Indian. As students, our greatest contribution may not be carrying a weapon or standing on a battlefield. Our battlefield is different. Our weapons are knowledge, discipline, integrity, creativity, and perseverance. We must become citizens who do not merely demand rights but also understand their duties. Let us remember that patriotism is not limited to waving the national flag or singing the national anthem. Patriotism is reflected in how honestly we study, how respectfully we treat others, how responsibly we use public property, how courageously we oppose injustice, and how sincerely we contribute our society. The tricolor flying above us represents more than the national pride. It represents the sacrifices of past, the responsibilities of the present, and the aspirations of the future. Therefore, on this Independence Day, let us make a solemn pledge. We shall learn not merely to earn but to contribute. We shall dream not merely for ourselves but for our nations. We shall respect our freedom by using it responsibly, and we shall strive to make India not only a powerful nation but also a just, compassionate, educated, and progressive nation. My dear friends, the freedom fighters gave us an independent India. It is our responsibility to give the next generation a better India. Let our dreams be ambitious and our actions be disciplined, and our character be unshakable. Let us build an India where knowledge defeats ignorance, unity defeats division, justice defeats discrimination, and hope defeats despair. With courage in our hearts, determination in our minds, and our beloved tricolor in our hands, let us march confidently towards a brighter India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. थैंक यू आज आमर यही इंडिपेंडेंस डे रो इंग्लिश पीस टी सरी जाइए जदि भिडियोटी भल लगी तेज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे एवं यही स्वाधीनता दिवस इंग्लिश पीस टी यदि आपको भल लगी तेज आप निश्चय यहाँ आप स्कूल कि जो आप दबाक चाहते बतुटा देपारे और आज भिडियोटी को ये शेष करवा परवर्ती भिडियो देखा धन्यवाद।